Cooking with Nancy.
And Jessica.
What are we going to make?
We're gonna make sushi cake.
Two things I love, sushi and cake. Steak and rice, people. Nothing fancy.
Let it boil, and when it's boiled, we turn it down.
I cut an onion. I don't know if it's like Lake Tahoe onions or Nancy just picked some really mean onions, but I was like crying for like 20 minutes straight. Ooh, I'm gonna leave the kitchen for now. Now it's mayo time.
So you're gonna just calculate it.
So eyeball it.
I'm gonna do 4 little scoops and then mix.
Oh, it smells so good.
Back where I'm from, you can just buy it made. Call it salsaito.
Salsaito. That's tasty. Now we're cutting the cucumber. So you're just mixing up 1 cream cheese with a cucumber sliced up. Some soy sauce in there. That was my idea. Avocado from my favorite part. This says no.
The rice one is ready. When it gets cold, just let the rice cool a little bit. So once we're gonna put it all together.
Got your bunt cake pan and furikake. How do you say it?
Furikake.
Furikake.
With accent from Mexico. And in Japanese is something else. You put it like there. Clean hands. Start grabbing a little bit of rice. Layer of rice is not too thick. The next we're gonna do is this one and be generous with this layer. One, you put this other layer, then you push. Start pressing a little bit.
Gets condensed.
Just until you put the second layer. The next layer is gonna be avocado. So be generous about that. You can never put too less avocado.
Agree with that statement.
Rinse a little bit.
More rice.
Now let's do this one. Jessica's invention. With this, we can use the spoon. You won't feel that cream cheese so much. It's more thin. Looks good. You first.
We put rice between everything.
Finish with what we start. This one.
So much rice.
Have to finish with rice. One is packed, real packed in there. Don't want to leave it there for later. Wash your hands.
Looking good so far.
Super bonito.
And it's the sushi cake. It looks delicious.